Let's see how Box Extract enables you to customize and simplify the process of data extraction at scale. For this demo, I'll be playing the role of a contract manager for a large retailer. Our team receives hundreds of thousands of vendor contracts from all the brands that sell merchandise at our stores. We needed a smarter way to extract data from these contracts. That's where Box comes in. To get started, we'll create a new custom extract agent to automatically capture key data from our vendor contracts. A challenge with these contracts is that since they're created by other companies, each one can be quite different in formatting and content. Take a contract end date, for example. Some of our vendors clearly state an end date in their contracts, while others do not. Fortunately, I can solve this by giving Box Extract custom instructions that if end date isn't explicitly mentioned, calculate it by combining the start date with the contract duration, and to check the terms and conditions for any additional information. Since these vendor contracts can be long and complex to parse, I'm going to use the enhanced extract agent because it leverages powerful models and can handle more advanced data extraction jobs. As a final step of the configuration, I'll specify which folders this extract agent will act on. Let's see the extract agent in action. I'm going to upload a new vendor contract into the intake folder. As you can see, the Box Extract agent that we just set up has already extracted the necessary information. I can click on each field and it highlights where it pulled the data from. These pointers are extremely useful if quick verification is needed. Now, this particular contract didn't explicitly call out an end date or a start date, but since we provided Box Extract with instructions, it's able to use logical reasoning to figure it out. First, it read the terms and conditions, which state the contract starts 1 day after it's signed. Then it calculated the end date by adding the contract duration of 60 days to that start date. In the off chance that the extract agent isn't sure if it got the data right, it indicates that with a confidence score. So here it flagged the amount due field because it wasn't sure if it should be in dollars or euros. And if a response ever needs to be corrected, the agent takes that as input and self-corrects future extractions. Now that I've extracted data from my vendor contracts, I can use it to analyze them. That's where Box Apps comes in. Box Apps are customizable, require no coding, and give my team a data-rich view into all our critical documents so we can make better decisions. Let's switch personas here. Now I'm a regional manager for this large retailer. It's my job to monitor vendor contracts, ensuring that my stores have the right inventory to meet customer demand. My IT team created a vendor contracts app, allowing me to easily manage all the contracts in my Box account from one place. And perfect timing because I've noticed that sales for home fitness gadgets have been declining in our California stores. I need to find all active contracts with vendors that supply our California stores with products in the home fitness category. Box Apps makes that so easy. My vendor app has a chart that categorizes contracts by status. So I click on this bar chart to filter to active contracts and sort from there. However, Box AI allows me to take it a step further. Instead of filtering, I can simply ask AI to show me vendors that ship home fitness items to California. Oh, and here we go. I found 15 contracts that fit that criteria. Now I'm wondering, do any of these contracts have terms that will allow me to cancel or renegotiate the order quantity? Rather than going through each contract one by one and reading all the policy terms, I'll just ask my contract analysis AI agent. Do any of these contracts allow for cancellation or reduction in quantity? Our company created this custom agent to read and interpret vendor contract terms. The agent analyzes the contracts in this view and reports back that, 3 out of the 15 have favorable terms that will allow me to reduce the order. Right from here, I can securely share these contracts with the vendor manager who handles the contract negotiation. As you've seen, Box Apps and Box Extract transform how you work with content. helping you extract valuable insights and manage key processes to accelerate your business.